Embroidery tutorial time. I'm going to show you how to do pistil stitch, also known as an elongated French knot. I've used it here to fill in the grassy area on my tarot card design, but it's also perfect for the centre of flowers. Thus the name, that centre part of a flower is called the pistil. So I've drawn a little guide just to make it clearer to see how the stitches work. I'm going to fill in these little shapes here. Start by bringing your needle up at the bottom of the stitch and then wrap your thread around your needle as if you were making a French knot. But instead of going down where you normally would, go down at the top of the line, leaving a tail behind, and pull through to the back. So come up at the bottom and then wrap around the needle as if you were making a French knot. I make mine by holding my needle behind my thread in the shape of a T, wrapping my thread around it 2 or 3 times and keeping my left hand taut all the time. Push your needle through, keeping everything taut, and pull through to the back. And that's it. That's how you do the pistil stitch or an elongated French knot. Let me know if you found that helpful and follow me for more embroidery tutorials.